Selecting and viewing all kinds of traffic information is easy on your navigation system. From the Setup menu, first press the Traffic Setup button. On the Traffic Setup screen, you can now enable or disable traffic displays using the on-off buttons. When you're finished making your selections, just press Done. Now that traffic information is active, you can press the traffic button on your map to view live traffic data. Then, on the traffic information screen, simply select any traffic incident that you'd like to view in closer detail. You can also customize the types of incidents listed on the traffic information screen by selecting the category button at the bottom. Let's say you want to know about any road construction going on in your area. Just add this category on the menu screen and save your changes. As you can see, the traffic information screen is now updated with a list of local road construction projects on your route. You should now be able to view and change the traffic settings on your navigation system. For more information on navigation functions, check your Digital Navigation System Owner's Manual or the Navigation System Quick Reference Guide.